So welcome back to the Sawmill, friends. Before we get started, let me show you guys what I started working on yesterday. We're just about ready to have our first fire in the timber frame. It's been raining here for the past 3 days. That makes for a good time to go work inside the shop where it's dry. Now before I get started, I gotta check on the kiln. I got a nice load of pine in there drying. That's something you gotta do every day, is keep a good watch on it. Now I started on this project yesterday, and I've already got the pipe ready to go up to the chimney. Now before we get started, I need to do some housekeeping and clean up my work area from last night. Since we're going to start having fires in this shop, it might be a good idea to put fire extinguisher on the wall. Now this wood stove would have been just fine if I left it on the concrete floor, but I decided to go to Lowe's and get some pavers to dress it up a little bit. All right, guys, it is another wet day here in Tennessee, although it finally stopped raining, and hopefully we can get this chimney pipe done before it starts again. Key word there is hope. It's supposed to rain for the next 5 days. Nasty weather. Before we get up on the ladder, let's check on the kiln. This pine is just about done. So the temperature inside the kiln is 120 degrees. That's what it's set on. The wet bulb is down to 81. And what that means is the humidity inside the kiln is getting pretty low, which is a good sign the lumber is just about dry. Let's see if there's any water coming out of the bag. So I got my bucket back here. I do this toward the end of the cycle to see how much water's coming out. There's still a little bit of water coming out, but not a whole lot. I'm not going to mess with it right now, but probably this afternoon we'll go in sterilization mode and set the pitch and shoot the temperature up to 160. And for you guys out there running sawmills, if you really want to up your game and increase your profits, get a kiln. It's a lot of money up front. This is a Nile L200 Pro with the chamber. I think it's about $36,000 is the price of it right now. I've had it for about a year. And guys, I'm telling you, I am telling you, get yourself a kiln. It will pay for itself extremely fast, and you have something a lot of the other sawmills don't have. The ability to dry your own lumber, and more importantly, sell kiln dried lumber. That really increases the price of your wood when it comes out of the sawmill. A very good tool to have, guys, a very good tool. Here is where we're at. I have one of the straps, I had to make them, right there. Get some support to this little shelf that holds the T on. And you guys see that dent right there in the pipe? I'm not sure why that dent is there, because every YouTube video I watch showing people installing this same exact system, everyone had a dent right there. So I don't know if that's like part of the process or who knows what's going on there, but it's there and I'm leaving it. Now we're going to the shop and make one more brace for the other side. Then we'll screw on 2 sections of pipe and hopefully we'll be ready to strike up a fire. So right here is the straps it comes with. They're pretty flimsy and they're way too short for what I need out there. So I went to the hardware store and bought some of this. That's a whole lot stouter and a lot longer. Cost about $8. If one of you guys would come hold this ladder, I'd appreciate it. Well, that figures. As soon as I get up here, it starts raining again. That's the way it goes. I need a screwdriver and I didn't bring one with me, and that's reason number 507 to have a Leatherman on your side. And if somebody would go grab me a rain jacket, I'd really appreciate that also. Because mine got stolen this morning. I had it ready to go and Bruno took off with it when he went to school today. So therefore, I'm without. I tell you what, guys, it is hard to beat a nice fire. That's what this shop has been missing. It's also missing the front door. There's Mama Cat coming in here. You can hear Mama out of the rain. It's still raining. It's been raining since about Saturday, just about every day. Hello, Mama. Oh, she ain't gonna let me pet her. That's a shocker. But there's a lot of stuff to finish in this shop, and the wood stove is one of them. Even though I don't have doors yet, that's going to change here in a few days. I wanted to get this wood stove done before it got really cold this winter. And the weather right now is not too bad. It's just a lot of rain. Man, it's been raining every day. Just terrible. This is a brand new stove that my dad got me. I think it's rated for 2,000 square feet. This shop is about 1,200 square feet. It's 30 by 40, so it should be more than enough to keep the chill out of the air when I'm working in here. And I've also got the Mr. Cool unit as well to hook up. It's also got heat on it also. Now, I did not film the entire installation of the chimney because the rain got pretty bad and the wind picked up and it actually knocked over the camera a few times. But there's one thing I'm going to add to that chimney stack. I think I need to go up about 2 more feet from where I am right now. So I think I'll probably go out tomorrow and get about a 2-foot piece of chimney pipe to add on to what we already have. So guys, once again, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll be back here in the next few days doing some more stuff in the shop. I probably won't be up at the sawmill until this weekend. That's when the rain is supposed to stop, but hopefully it will stop by the weekend. So I want to thank everybody on Patreon for supporting me here on the channel. I really appreciate it. Appreciate all you guys watching. You guys have a good night, and we'll see you back here on the next one.